The typical enterprise company spends millions each year on new technology, including software and maintenance subscriptions. Yet, most lack unified insights and resort to manually tracking information like assets, contract renewals, SLAs, and last day of support. Or worse, not at all. The result? Outdated information, security and compliance risks, and higher costs. GDT has a better way. Introducing the GDT Asset Management Platform, GDT AMP delivers visibility across your IT estate, so you can view and manage your software, hardware, maintenance, subscriptions, EAs, and more from one easy dashboard. GDT AMP consolidates data from multiple sources, such as CCW and CCWR, CX Cloud, Client Smart Accounts, including EA Workspace, and even Cisco-ready reports. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with customer databases, ensuring that no matter where the data lives, it can be pulled into one dashboard for easier access, better visibility, and more informed decision-making. GDT AMP streamlines tasks from budget planning, maintenance contract management, cost segregation, and RMA tracking to software utilization and PCERT vulnerability notices. In this video, we'll quickly walk you through the most common use cases. Let's start with an order placed with GDT. From this screen, we can see a list of all orders. By clicking on an individual order number, we can see order details and even drill down to view serial numbers associated with the shipment and where they are in the shipping process. GDT AMP also streamlines asset tracking. From this screen, we can view the contract number, including start and end dates. We can also request asset updates on the screen, which will automatically be reflected in the OEM system via APIs. We can even see end-of-X milestones, such as last day of support, along with the OEM's product bulletin with migration recommendations. GDT AMP allows you to run powerful analytics across your entire install base. You can view business intelligence dashboards, export data, and create on-demand alerts. From the EOX dashboard, we can run a report to view all assets with EOX notices. This helps us understand when assets will hit various end-of-life milestones, such as the last day of support, end of sale, and end of vulnerability information. These milestones are helpful for tech refresh planning. Not all assets are managed à la carte. GDT AMP also enables tracking and management of assets purchased through enterprise agreements. GDT AMP even provides advanced visibility into true forwards. From the EA consumption worksheet, we can easily track EA utilization and any resulting consumption-based true forward for budgeting purposes. Do you prefer to have insights delivered to your email inbox? Here's how to leverage GDT AMP's on-demand alerts and capabilities. By right-clicking on the true forward amount, we can create an automated email alert to be delivered straight to your inbox when a specific threshold is reached or a true forward overage is triggered. Here is an example of the email GDT AMP generates. GDT AMP streamlines IT asset management, giving you greater control over your IT estate, lowering risks to your business, and keeping costs under control. To learn more about GDT AMP's capabilities, visit gdt.com.